Dean here, Dean's Adventures on Timber Mountain. So what you're seeing here is the walk I take, or have been taking for approximately 2 years. So the driveway, or what will be the driveway. So what you're seeing is the culmination of 2 years work, and I'm going to be putting the process in this video of part of the roof system. Actually it would be the second part and the start of my middle section. Rainy day today, so it's almost a day off. There's always something to do. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. It'll help me out. And creating new content is always fun. Please comment. I'd like to hear from you. Here we're starting the plywood for the second part of the house build. You see that I put the trusses up and everything's working pretty good there. Again, a tedious process, but it's got to be done. And I've put my friends up, which again gives me some airspace, which you need for the roof system. Doing it yourself is, I guess, not recommended. I was working in 30-degree heat, so that's not a good idea. This is a view from underneath at under the bunks where the mezzanine's going to be. And it looks good from there. It gives me a nice space. And then I am done. Believe it or not, 30-degree heat for a week, it will tax you a little bit. Time to go down and have a beer, I think. It's now time to put the membrane on. The membrane will actually serve as a water and ice shield in the eventuality that, let's say, your shingles fail or something like that. It's a barrier that you use. And it's not hard to put up. Alone is a little bit harder, but you know what? You manage, and you start off slow, and then you get a routine going, and it's pretty good, actually. I did that pretty. I did both sides in under a day, so it worked pretty good. So here I am again, almost finished. Notice the rolls on the top. I put them all up at once. Makes it a little easier. Cleanup time, and here we go. It looks very nice at this point. The building is actually made up of 3 sections: the 2 ends of the building and then the center section. What you see me now is working on the center section roof system to making them the same size as the bunks on the 2 end sections, which is 8x8s, good timber frame, good and solid, as you might say. But to get a baseline on the timber frame or the angles, I actually did a temporary fit, if you want. So put up scaffolding, it gave me my angle that I needed. And here we are again, me and Lucy. We're starting to do the next actual 12 trusses that are going up. One by one, you make them. It's fun to have some help. Lucy is a good worker, I must say. And she'll say she's learning some stuff too as she goes. It's nerving a little bit. This is the first time she's ever been in an excavator, and she's doing pretty good, actually. She'll learn. Next in line is actually the positioning of the trusses in position. So one of the things that I learned was the first one I made, the bracing that I put in the center was not wide enough. As you notice, the lower ends of the truss, are kind of overhanging. So I had to take that back down and remake the center bracing. Didn't take much to do, but it went pretty well actually. And once you get the right distance, we started making the rest of the trusses. Here I am after the third one. I got Lucy up there. She wasn't too sure, but she made it up there. She did pretty good. And she'll get over the fear of heights. Not that she has to do that for very many times if you want, but it, again, you learn. Picture of the trusses up in the, I would say the sunset, but it's early morning actually in this position. And the next picture where you'll see is the all the trusses made and are going to be put up very soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like the content, I'd appreciate a comment also. Have a great day.